Open your book to page 388. This lesson is on graphing curves. So let's go to example 1. It says graph the equation y equal to x squared minus x minus 2. Now, whenever you have an exponent of 2 or more, it's going to be a curve. It's not going to be a straight line. See, when you have only x, then it's going to be a straight line. But when you have a higher degree, it's going to be a curve. So the way to do that is you make a table. So x and the y. And normally you just want to start with like a -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And in this case, you have a 3. Okay? And you just substitute in here. So you got y equal to, so y equal to, so you put a -2 in here. So y equal to 4 plus 2 minus 2. So y equal to 4. So when x equal to -2, you get y equal to 4. So you just keep doing the same thing. So y equal to, so block it off. So you just substitute, right? Again, whenever you substitute, you put in parentheses. So it's -1 squared minus -1 minus 2. So y equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2. And so y will equal to 0. Okay? So you just keep doing the same thing. So you substitute y equal to 0 squared minus 0 minus 2. Remember, whenever you substitute, you put in the parentheses. It helps you to keep track of your positive negatives. So y equal to -2. Okay. Then you keep doing the same thing. So just keep continue and do all these values. So you're going to get -2, 0, and 4. Okay. So now, once you get all these points, then you're ready to graph. So when you graph, okay. So first point is -2, 4. Now make sure you plot the points in order. Make sure you go in order so it doesn't get all confusing. So next one is -1, 0. So -1, 0 is over here. Next one is 0, -2. So 0, -2. And the next one is 1, -2. And then you're going to get 2, 0. And then you get 3, 4. Okay? And then then what you need to do is you need to go and kind of make it like a smooth curve. And that's going to be a single point that is lowest point. In this case, it doesn't show you. Okay? But that's going to be a lowest point. And the point over here, this point over here, this is called a vertex. Okay. The lowest point or highest point is a vertex. In this case, it's not as obvious, but you don't need that. So just follow those points and connect the points in order. Don't go zigzag all over the place. Okay. So again, you cannot just go from like this and go zigzag all over the place. So make sure you go in order and then you connect the dots, and that's how you do graph. Okay, let's go to example 2. Okay, you want to graph y equal to x cubed minus 4x. So again, you do the same thing. You make the table x and the y. And you, again, if you're not sure, just start with -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And you just substitute values in this. Again, when you substitute, put in parentheses, then you work it out. So y equal to -2 to the 3 power is negative, 3 to the 3 power is 27, -4 times -3 is plus 12. So in this case, y equal to -15. Okay, and then you continue. So y equal to -2 3 power minus 4 times negative 2. So y equal to negative 8 plus 8. So y equal to 0. And then you just keep going. So you get all these values. So you got 15, 0, 3, 0, negative 3, 0, 15. Okay. So now when you're ready to graph, so first point is negative 3, negative 15. So if you try to graph that point, negative 3, negative 15 is way out here. So if its number is too big, don't worry about it. Just go to the next one. So this is going to be too big, so you probably don't even have to worry about those two. So just graph those things in between. So you got negative 2, 0. So that's negative 2, 0. Then you got negative 1, 3. And next one is 0, 0. And you got 1, negative 3. And then you got 2, 0. So make sure you connect the dots in order. So this one connects to here, and then this one connects to here, and go like this. Okay. Now if you happen to graph the negative 315, 315 over here, yeah, it's way out of the place, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can make sure you connect the dots and smooth it out. These are not straight line. This is supposed to be like a curve. Okay, over here is supposed to be like a curve. Okay. Now, if you notice, when you have a graph, if you only have x to the 1 power, then you're gonna have graph going like this. If you have x squared, see each additional power. So 1 power means you only get one direction. 2 power means you're going to get 2 directions. See, 1, 2. So x to the 3 is going to be 3 directions. See that? 1, 2, 3. X to the 4 is going to be like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is when you are positive. So when you're positive, it's pointing up. Now when you have a negative, you have a negative x to the 1 power, it's going to go down, because this is negative. Negative x squared is going to go down. So it's going to be like this. So it's kind of opposite, right? Negative x to the 3 power is going to go like this. Negative x to the 4 power is going to go like this. So you can, each additional power give you the direction. So this kind of gives you a general idea of what the graph should look like. Okay, let's go to page 391. And let's do number 12. Okay, number 12, it says make an integer value of x from negative 2 to positive 2. Make a table of value for y equal to 1 minus 2x minus x3. And you want to make a table x and y. So it tells you to go from negative 2 to 2, right? So just go through the same thing. So y equal to 1 minus 2 times negative 2 minus negative 2 to the 3 power. So equal to 1 plus 4 minus negative 8. So it'd be 13. Okay? And then you just keep going. So you're going to get negative 1 will give you 4. 0 will give you 1. Negative 1 will give you negative 2. 1 will give you negative 2. 2 will give you negative 11. Okay, so when you graph, again, these two numbers are kind of really big, so you probably just don't worry about them. So just focus on this close number. So negative 1, 4. So that's a negative 1, 4. Next one is 0, 1. So at 0 you get 1, and next one is 1, negative 2. Okay, so this one actually is like this, but this one is not as obvious. So if it's a cube equation. But what happens is it's just a little portion of it. Okay, so if you're the graph more, so this will go up, way up before you come back down. This will go way over before it goes up. So what you have is just a little portion of the graph. Okay, so again, this graph's going to go way up there and come down. This is going to go way down and go back up. So what you have right now is just a little portion of that big graph.